every night under the light and trying out.
Yes, we are.
With brand new faces, but I'm tired of staying asleep.
So anyway, we need to go back to the city center because my nephew, we have to meet up my nephew so that we could travel tomorrow together, going to Mindanao. My brother's son, Kuya Pau Pau. But anyway, if this is your first time come across to our channel, we would like to introduce ourselves. This is Mommy A.
That is true. Ate Aryan.
We are the Bahari family who loves to travel and explore the world despite of our busy lifestyle. Me and my husband Sito makes time to bond with our kids and as a family, and to show you that in this life there's so much to appreciate in this world. So this is the Bahari family saying, what are we waiting for? Let's go and explore!
Settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms.
So we are here now, in Ayala Mall, and we're gonna meet Kuya Pau Pau here. He's been waiting here ages. I think it's 2 o'clock. Kuya Pau Pau, my nephew.
Your eyes every night and the occasion lights.
So we arrived at Alaya Mall.
Ayala Mall. That's not ours. And let's go in. He said we're gonna ring him. Shall we ring him? We say we are here, or we just go in first?
Go in.
Go in first. Go in. We want to go in because it's too hot. Then you have to go extra as well, like an airport. Sige na lang, ikaw na lang kuya.
Ay, ako na lang?
Mag-vlog.
Sige.
Sabihin mo, Bahadi Farm Explorer.
Bahadi?
Farm Explorer.
Ay, Farm Explorer. Hello, welcome. Welcome to Manila. Ayala Malls. Shout out po sa mga taga-Tagig.
Taga-Tagig.
Taga-Tambo. Hello po.
Subscribe po kayo ha.
Thank you po. Thank you.
So, meron tayong pinasubscribe si Kuya. Si Kuya SG. Ang pogi ni Kuya ha. Hello Kuya. So, we'll call Kuya Pau Pau here. So, Kuya Pau Pau was saying you have to go straight ahead, get out on this building, and then get into another building for Chowking. He's waiting there for us. Okay?
It is so much memory.
It's nice to walk here. It's cold, air conditioned. And this is our mall here in Manila. We owned it. We are here in Manila. This is just a simple mall here, but it's massive.
It smells so good as well.
It's so good, yes. Too many choices.
What?
Just got.
Where's Dad?
That is nothing.
Pilahan sa
Ang
designer yung Crooks. Buy 3.
how much is here? Buy 3 here,
Buy
sir?
3 from 1.
Okay.
Kaya yung pala yung...
Buy 3 here as well. Right, okay, we'll just keep walking, Macban. Keep, anay.
No.
Car. Okay. He said he's in Chowking. Oh, here, Daddy. Here's my nephew.
Hello.
Bless ka. Hagi. Si Daddy pala yun. Baliktad eh. Si Kuya Pau Pau.
Kalaki.
Ayan na. Pogi. Tangkad mo na, Kuya. Ano extra large? Hindi ko naman ako.
Uy, dako ni ay.
Kumuha pa ka?
Ha? Oo, mahal.
Vlog pa? Ako na kay ka? I-vlog na ko. I-vlog na ka. Okay na? Wala kay privacy.
Okay.
Si ate, oh. Ate, give hug to Kuya, oy. When was the last time you've seen each other?
2018.
That was,
She was like,
4, no.
ha?
4 pa ba?
9.
Kasi Boogie, that was
When I was
1 year old.
8, 9.
And the time when we came back, Kuya Papa and Ate Gana is not there anymore. So you're 4, Boogie was just 1 year old.
I'm not 4.
What do you remember?
I was on Peace Point when I was 4.
Oh, what time? I don't know. Let's go. We'll go and sit down and eat. So Chowking is closed
my price
under
back.
renovation. So we go Manginasal, ha? You okay with Manginasal? Sit down na to. Sa Malatuwa, Dad. Ang sa Malatuwa, na yung mga puan. Asa man ana ang puan choices. Where's the choices? Ay, masarap. Look at this. Ang melt na siya.
Be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you.
Hello mga kaban. So this is the view here at night. And yeah, so yung cut-off time ng pool is 10 only in the evening. So unfortunately, we came home late kasi last minute shopping pa sa mall. Oh, it's not here. So anyway, it's already 12 o'clock now, midnight. Then we have to fly back to Davao this morning around 2 o'clock. We have to leave here because our flight is 5 o'clock. So yes, I'm just gonna go in mga kaban. I'm just showing you the outside view here in One Palm Tree Villa in Resort World something condo. So it's very nice place here mga kaban. I would highly recommend this place. And it's not so hard to open. Sorry. I'm just gonna close that was the balcony part. And it's air conditioned, so it's really good. So what a hectic day, and long travel as well from UK to here to Manila, and another travel to do. So yeah, and everyone is sleeping now, and I'm doing a last minute tidying up for our luggage for tomorrow. And yeah, so mga kaban, I need to rest as well. So we'll see you in the morning. That's it for now. Bye. So this is another day mga kaban. So time check, 3 o'clock in the morning, and we're heading to the flight for Davao. Hectic, I'm scared. Ryan is running around. Breakfast.
How is this breakfast? Oh, actually, I just want to drink.
Breakfast time mga kaban. Huh?
I just want water.
Yeah, they will keep the water.
Yes.
Did you see that?
The egg is the way I like it.
Oh, okay. How was it? Nice? How's the longganisa? So we're gonna be meeting Ryan and his grandma and grandpa outside, and it's a surprise. Let's see. They don't know that we are arriving, so I can't wait the reaction. Let's see. They thought it's only Kuya Papa will arrive today, but it's not. They didn't expect us that we're coming. We have to wait for Kuya.
Put this in. Put this. Rubbish.
Hi mga kaband, arrive here in Davao.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello everyone. So we're gonna tour you here in Davao for a few days. And remember, live is here in Davao. Okay, let's gonna wait our baggage and then let's get out. But we'll go toilet first. Daddy will get the lunch. We're gonna go toilet, Daddy. Oh, okay. So we're here in Davao mga kaband, and we're gonna meet my parents now. So excited! It's surprise. They don't know that we're coming. Here. Where is he? Are we going this way?
Kasya yan, te. Ano man nila man? Mamayat na po ang pautag. Palit na. Palit mo parkingan na.
Ano ko ba mo? Liberty.
Anak, kinana ka ng accident. Careful the bags, go backward. Lolo, seen us already. Come on. Nakita namin. Yan. Nakita namin. Palpak. Nag-wave naman dito. Wala, okay. Nag-wave naman dito. Bayat, oh. Nag-wave na. Nakitaan na dayon, Mi. Sus. Nagtanaw na dito.
Hi, Lola.
Hi. Mani mo is mama mo, no?
Oh, sa ano? Sa
8 daw.
Ah.
Sa Manila. Pero ambot sa orasan siya maabot og Davao.
Boss?
Hi, Lo. Dali, dali. Dali, dali. Dali. Kapoy. Tawag ka ni Lola. Tawag ka ni Lola. Ali daw. O, doon, dali si Lola. Ay, si Lolo! Lo! Dire na! Kanila ko! Kanina! Tawagin! Kanila!
Lalong ni dito, pwede?
Ah, sige.
Nakita mo si Daddy ni balik na dito. Tara nakatawa mo guys sila.
Bantay mo.
Ano, bito ko, dagan pa kayo kong bagahe.
Nasa manis siya, mamang. Mamang. Hindi ba sila una-una? Ano nangyari dito?
Umila.
Surprise!
Dapat malipay kami lang. Lolo, okay. Nagdrama na si Lolo. Naalala mo kaya? Lola. Lolo.
Sabi,
Siguro Bruno Mars yan. Dapat ako, nagwapo ako. Ang gwapo, Diyon. Ay, ako pinakagwapo. Hi! Welcome!
Best ko, Lo. Giset up mo, Lo.
Surprise! Duda ko ba? Kasi Patrick, duda ko.
So, ano na may ani? Matrending na may ani.
iba na sa kanan. Asa may kargahan ini?
Kuan ini pungtan
Asa
na
may
bukasan niyo.
payat? Asa may kargahan ini? Sige.
Ang drama. Let's go!
Di magbaktas mo ng hita. Yung kay kaya. Yung kunis niya kami maabot. Magbaktas po ni di kaya. Sakay na lang niyo eh. Huwag yung exercise kami eh. Ay, pangit. Lutuin na lang may kabot. Pero baktas mo. Yan, naluya mo. Init kayo.
Wala.
Kain?
Sabi na wala.
Ay, strong.
Dagan ko, dagan ko og bagahe.
Ano naman ito eh? Alarm na. Liwat na kaya lalay. Na ate. Hello. Welcome sa Kasi pag pamalita, dili mo pa. Nagluot na sila. Namin kayo sungog. Ay, wala na. Napost ko na po. Wala na ako. Ano ka ha? Sila yung asal na po niya. Wala siya. Diba? Successful tayo. Si Pau-Pau. Si Kuya Pau-Pau ganina. Ano na nagsabi na? Diba kuya?
Dagan ko og bagahe, no. Dagko kayo.
Subscribe, like, and share. Bahati pa. Kababi eh. Nasipiyat na si Patrick gabi eh. Yung ito lagi daw Surigao. Instantly, abot ako man. Nakasiguro sila kanin. Kaya naman si Surigao ako, follow up. Daya.
16.
Ano masasabi niyo?
Ha?
Greet niya kay Lola. Na happy wedding anniversary, Lola.
Happy wedding anniversary, Lola. Uy, ante, mas ko ako tawag sa'yo, ha?
Ha? Ante? Ante din mo tawag? Ikaw, Basi. Happy anniversary, Lola.
Anniversary Lola.
Ha? Okay lang ba kayo dito, mga friends? Ha? Okay lang kayo? Ha?
Hi guys.
Mag-hi guys.
Ay, daw sa vlog niya,
English ba yan eh?
Oh my God.
Kailan naman English yan eh, kaya ang mga batch kayo. Hello, welcome to the vlog. Si Ante. English daw, te. Ha? English. Kinanglan mag-English. What kind of English? What kind of English daw? German English, te. Mimi ba? Pahuyos gamay ba? O si paring ano? Kumusta ang dagat? Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Okay naman palagi sa ano? Tagalog taday.
Ay, Tagalog.
Magani swerte kay dili English ni.
Mag-Tagalog na lang.
Kumusta man sa laot? Okay ra?
Okay lang.
Wala suka-suka. Kung ako siguro magsiman, masuka ko.
Normal lang muna.
Napod mo? Suka po mo.
Ano, malikayan good kay
Oo, mag-ana-ana naman ko ano. Mag-ferry na gani mi, kasupaon ko. Diba? Si Kuya, okay ka lang, boy. Pilatong ka lang, ha? Normal talaga sa amin ang sa mga inanimi. Family, Karaw, family. Chat you later. Kaya nga, na-orient na ko, no?
Yes! I'm Jessamine.
Oh, yeah. Ito ang star. Ito ang star ng ating buhay. Sino ba yun? Dito na naman tayo. Dali ko yun ta. O, din yung dapita. Daddy, what you feel ba a day before your wedding, Dad? How do you feel? Stress?
Today I feel very happy because you are already here.
Who's here? Who's you? Who's you?
You and also my
Just say my beautiful daughter.
beautiful.
Kay vlog ba yan? Ipatanaw ba yan ako sa mga Briton?
Mama.
Mama, what can you say today? Tomorrow is your day.
I'm happy.
Happy, why?
I'm grateful that you are here.
Ah.
Here.
Kani pa istoryahan natin ng isa. Kani kay mao ni ang topic nako. Uy, English ba yan? How do you feel the apyang when you get you're happy? Why?
I didn't expect that.
Oh, di ba? Laban ka, ha? May action pa yan. Kaya mo yan, Day. Oh, maiyak pa yan, oh. Naiiyak na. Storya ba? Dali na.
I didn't expect that you all are coming home.
Ah, we are complete now. Ay, oh. Ikaw, kaniya pa kasi English. English ka na karon. Oh, congratulations. Liwat ka sa kuwaday. Sige na. Ganiya pa ni sige English ba? Sa friendship, karon di na mag-English. English na. What can you tell about Lola and Lolo? Eh, very hot daw. Oh.
Si Lola?
Si Mars. Sige na, Mars. Say mong dugang diri, Mars. Okay lang. Comfortable ka, ha? Ayaw pagkuhan ulaw-ulaw. Ako ba yung tagiya ng karinderiya? Si Maana ni Mars. Kumusta ang life natin dyan? Happy naman? Happy ka nga nagkita tao true, ha? Reunion. Oh, kani akong mga tiyo na ako ni. Unsa may masalit mo? Great po dira.
Happy kaya
Ulta ulit, ulta. Karon pa kita nagkita. No? Sinutali sigara gisbot. Wala pa mo sa una din na. Wala pa, no?
Apo, yo na speaker.
Si Ate Rosing, sige na pong
Ako na bayaw diyan, bayaw.
Parintiran natin. Ninong, si Kuya. Kuya greet po daya. Para na ni sa Kuan ba?
Welcome to the Philippines.
Ano ako may lagi pang greet. Ang Kuan pa kinasal ba? Kasi ano? Pag-congratulate mo, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Pre, happy anniversary, pre. Kaduha na rin, pre. Last year, kapon.
Kapon, 50 ngayon.
Karon na 50.
Karoon na, last year, basing
Primero pa man to.
double celebration.
Oo, tama. 51 years. Dirita sa ilalang ni ante. Si Pamalo. Ito, Koreana to. Ayaw magpaano si Korean. Ikaw, sige, Mamalo. Mag-lead ka, Mamalo.
Happy anniversary sa kumari.
Salamat. Game na game kayo sila eh. Wala pa dyan ka nag-greet kay Lola. Pag-greet na. Bantay bita mag-English ka o niya ha. Hindi ka pa English. Ay, si Payan di. Nag-video kaya. Ingon ko sa mo nga mag-andam kag dance number. Simple lang nga dance number. Wako ka ba nga tinikling imong giandam. Tinikling imong giandam. Naman lagi makawayan. Naman lagi.
Hindi ko, kalali lang ha. Ano sa?
Hindi ka makadinay dili documented.
Ano siya? Props to.
Abi na kung musayo ka tinikling.
Nakoy siguro maka-intermission number ko ka ng on the spot na. Ako mga backup.
Naata. O ba ka
Pero kailangan ako gown. Kailangan ako gown.
Mo na mo para sa inyo ko.
Pero kailangan ko makain.
Dili na jud siya maigo to. Maunta to'y gown dito di maigo sa bag. Tanaw bitaw ng mga bago.